Kalawhai atu hane hata tolu atau walatala tutupu ke lata ia moe polio pone. Greetings and kalawhai atu, these are our news bulletin for tonight. Whamana atu e tahe seo he whakausi e Whelakutaki mo Sihamani celebrating Armistice Day this coming Sunday. Amana kia whakatawhānoa hei Australia ke whakatū e taha ofisa ke he motu Australian Mission for Niue. Tūmau e hata kiang he whai malolo sino ke mailonga he tau tangata e ngangau mā pala. The Health Department Tuberculosis Prevention Program. Kua manaki ke tau se e whamanatuanga mo e tapu kianga he aho tapu ke Millennium Hall he matahala hongflumaua he tupo la. Ke whamanatua ki e tahe seo he tautau he whamolia maweheanga mo Sihamani ke whakausi e Whelakutaki mo e tau kautau mo e kautū kau whakalataha ke he matahala hongflumataha he mga aho pungi mahina hongflumataha he tau taha hiwa taha walu.
Tungana ia koe whakamanatuanga nei koe tūanga he seo tau he mawhara he laulangi ne whakamuria i Peritania mo e motu ko Sihamani e maweheanga ke he mawhara he laulangi mai he tau whakamua he laulangi. Sio koe tahe seo tau ko mori ki tua, tau tahe awhi hiwe seo hongo furuma waru, a hongo furuma tahe mai na Novema, ne whakamuria i maweheanga nei ke he mawhara mo e whakausianga he Whelakutaki whakamua he laulangi. Si ko tahe seo tau ia ke hoko mai ke mga nei, kua kau whakataha e tau motu, i lau hewhi a Peritania, ke whakamanatua e aho mahuinga nei he laulangi. Kua patoia Niue foki ke he whakamanatua nei mai mamanaki.
Tahe seo melimu fulu e kautau ha Niue, ne kua ua tuai ke he Whelakutaki whakamua he lalolangi.
Awhia e hatau tolu a motu tose nei ko Niue, he maweheanga ia ke whakamurianga he mawhara he laulangi, tari mai he whakausi e Whelakutaki whakamua he laulangi, he tau tahe awhi hiwe seo hong furu mawaru. Si kua hoko mai toi a tau tolu ke he ngaho nei, mai waha nei, he seo tau ko moare, kua amamanaki a tau tolu ke whakamuri a tau tolu foki, e mawhara ia ke laulangi ke he motu tose nei ha tau tolu ko Niue.
Ke he whaholoanga kua manaki e matakau he tau whānau whiwhine, matakau he tau whānau tāne, tau leo he motu, whakalataha mai tau hukui mai ai he New Zealand Defence Force ke wholeni ai ki mua he Millennium Hall. 150 Niuean soldiers who fought in the Great War will be remembered in the Niue Armistice Centenary Remembrance Day this Sunday. A national march will be held from midday, followed by a church service at the Millennium Hall this Sunday, November 11th. This is Sofia Koroitanoa with more details.
In 1915, 150 young Niueans left their homes to join other soldiers in the Great War.
And there's a lot to talk about, and it's also sad to think about. In this particular land where we're at now, where the cenotaph was built, this once upon a time a cliff top. This is the place that actually all the blessing of farewell, the whole island came to Alofi, and all the pastors and the government, people at the time, mind you, it's not very many official government at the time, because, I think it's all more so to the churches, more so to the London Missionary Societies. Those are the main organizations with New Zealand at the time to organize a group of Niuean young people to join the World War I. So we have recorded 150, but it's more than that. There are also other Niueans in New Zealand at the time. They actually, when the group arrived, New Zealand, they joined other Niueans in New Zealand, other young Niueans in New Zealand.
A commemoration service will be held this Sunday.
We are going to start off with a national marching outside the cenotaph, consisting of the Niue Boys and Girls Brigade, Niue Police, and also I believe that we have a New Zealand Defence team coming as well. So a combination of marching, a special marching outside the cenotaph, and we have a small honouring moment to mark the commemoration at the cenotaph. So that is the program. Then we continue on to the church service.
Armistice Day is commemorated every year on 11th November to mark the armistice signed between the Allies of World War I and Germany to end the hostilities on the Western Front of World War I. This took effect at 11 o'clock in the morning, the 11th hour of the 11th day of the 11th month of 1918. Sofia Koroitanoa, BCN News.
Kua mana ki whakatufano ha Australia ki whakatua i e tau whisa ki Niue. Ko Niue ni tahe tau motu atu Pasifika ne kua whehangai moe kua amamanaki ke ngā hua whakalataha me whakatufano ha Australia. Ko whakailoa hei ki pule ha Australia ko Scott Morrison e tau amamanakianga he whakatufano ha Australia mo Niue ki Queensland he whāhi tapuka Māori. Pea mai lili whapalemia Sir Toke Tufukia Tālangi, koe tō amamanakianga whaua nei, tō lahi e mitaki, moe kua mai ke langmatai e tuanga ha Australia, me tau motu he atu Pasifika. Ko mai ke whoki ke whakise e manako he ikipule, ko Scott Morrison, ke whailang matai ke atu Pasifika, muatu ke he tau motu iki ki loto he Pasifika. The Australian government will be establishing a diplomatic post in Niue. Niue is among the several Pacific Island countries that the Australian government has pledged to opening new diplomatic posts as part of ramping up its commitment to the Pacific. This is Sofia Koroitanoa with more details.
Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison making the announcement at Laverack's Barracks in Townsville, Queensland.
Our diplomatic network is already larger than any other country in the Pacific, as it should be, and we're going to expand it. Today I announced that we intend to open diplomatic missions in Palau, the Marshall Islands, French Polynesia, Niue and the Cook Islands. This will mean Australia is represented in every member country of the Pacific Islands Forum. Of course, it is not just about the number of diplomatic posts, it's about the people we send there and those working on the Pacific at home. The Foreign Minister and I have made it clear that we want our best, our brightest, our young, our experienced diplomats alike working in and on the Pacific.
The announcement has been welcomed by the Premier Sir Toke Talangi. In an issued statement, it says the Premier believes that the announcement would not only enhance Australia's diplomatic and security presence in the region through efforts to strengthen stability and security, but also demonstrated that the Australian Prime Minister was sensitive to and understood the needs of all of the members of the Pacific Forum, including small island states. The Premier was pleased with efforts to protect the livelihoods of Pacific Islanders through combating illegal fishing and the impacts of transnational crime, but also the impacts of climate change. It says, of particular note, Sir Toke saw the need for Pacific neighbours to work together in terms of the security of the region and welcomed the decision to establish a diplomatic post in Niue. Together with the recent announcement by New Zealand Foreign Minister Winston Peters increasing its diplomatic presence in the Pacific region, the Premier saw these moves as positive steps to promoting security and stability, but also closer ties with the two countries. Australia will also establish a multi-billion-dollar infrastructure bank for projects in the region. The Premier is looking forward to increasing the dialogue with Australia on the economic and social issues affecting the country and a closer relationship that a diplomatic post in Niue will bring. Sofia Koroitanoa, BCN News.
Kua tu mau e whahi malolo sino ke ha Turkey ke tau tangata ke mailonga e tau whakamailonga ngā ngāo mā pala. Ke mga nei kua toko 5 mai valungu fulmatolu e tangata ni kua sivi mai he 5 valungu fulmatolu ia toko 6 ni ko maua e moko kai kua toko ua ni ko whamoli ko maua e ngā ngāo mā pala. Koe mana koe whahi malolo sino ke whakahoho e tō tangata he motu ne nākai la sivi ke lata me ngā ngāo mā pala ke hohoku atu ke he whahi malolo sino ke tause e tau sivianga mai ngā ngāo nei. Ko mana koe whahi malolo sino ke whakamana atu ke tō tangata ko lau tōlu ni ne kua hako e tau whailoanga hangau ke ngā ngāo mā pala he motu kai eke kua whakapuloa ke he tau tangata. The Niue Health Department's efforts to contain the spread of TB or tuberculosis in Niue are continuing. The Niue Health Department says the only source of official information regarding the tuberculosis situation on Niue will be issued through public notices. Since the screening program began at the end of August, 583 people have been screened and 66 people have had a positive result for TB, meaning they have been exposed to TB. No one who had a positive result has been confirmed with the TB disease, apart from the first and second confirmed cases. TB screening is available at the Niue Hospital. Children who have received the vaccine as infants are at low risk of contracting the tuberculosis disease up until the age of 10 years. There are 2 types of TB. The medical team will inform you of other tests needed to confirm if you have either active TB or TB disease or latent TB, which is not infectious. Ko ka mata o koe whahinga hua taktakai motu e tau lupo plastiki mai tau lupo lapahio mai he tau lotka ina ne whakatupe ai he whakatawhanua Australia e tau puha kula ni ko tuwhatuwha. Ne talahau ai he tahau whisa e whahinga hua koe tuwhaanga he tau puha kula ha koe manako ke tukutuku hifo e tau vewe moe mai ke liu tā vili ka tātu ke lo vewe I makatō.
Koe matanga hua he whahinga o takatakai motu ne tālanga I uaf me hongo furu mawhitu hangawia ki he tau veweheanga po te potanga he tau vewe. Si koe mga honei kua kisia ki ai, kua whitaani e tau matanga hua e whahinga hua he tātua I mo e tālanga I ke whahe na I makato. Ke he veweheanga po ke tau potanga he tau vewe ke he kehe. Si koe whahinga hua mona I takatakai motu ke lari whakalahi ke tuku ke he kehe e tau veweheanga he tau tau vewe, tunga tau plastiki lupo, tau lupo hio, tau lupo siamu, tau lupo ke ne mau. Ke lata ia mo e tau pini kura ni ko huatuwha atu ke tau maanga te gita, ke lata mo e tau koloani.
Ke mau nei kua moalea I 5 e tau puha kula ni ko tuwhatuwha ke he tau lotokaina.
Ko e mga ahonei, ko e 5 me onong furu matoru e tau pini, ko e whita hei tu whangatu ke he tau kaina. Ke he tau takitaki maanga, ke lata ia mo e halo ha mtoru a tau kaina takitaha he tau he maanga. Siu ko e tau pini kula ia, ko whitani he whakangahua he tapu kua Māori, ke he tau maanga takitaha. Siu ko e mga ahonei, whai kaina ngai ani ke he tau kaina he tau maanga takitaha, ne hokotaki mai he whahe he tau takitaki maanga ne ala whai pinia. Ka kānu ni, ha koe tau mga whawa ni o mai e mai whakaku ke he motu, silili watu. Kai nā kai pehe na ia koe ai whai pini kula e kai na ia hakua nā kai whai tangate nof kaina poka o atua ia lautoru ke motu ki New Zealand. Hokua ngai ia ni e whai pini kula pihia e lotu kaina. Liu mai e matakainanga nei motu ki New Zealand si moa ia hana pini.
Ko mana ko lahi fōki e whahinga hua ke tukutuku mo e whakawewehe e tau vewe ke mkomuka mo e mea ka leweki atu ki ai e lua vewe I makatō.
Ko e tau veweheanga ia ke lata ia mo e tau lupo hio, mo e tau lupo plastiki. Ko e tau lupo plastiki ka oko ai, tō tātu ai ke he ke saitanai hui hui. Ke lata ia mo e tau whakamopoanga he tau lupo plastiki. Ko e tau lupo hio, tō tātu ai ke whai sivolo. Ke lata ia mo e halau tūlu a tahamatanga hua ni amamana kilo halau tūlu ke tālanga ki tau pola tū ka he tala hau mai. Kai pihia e whakatokanga. Vewe he ua e tau potaanga he tau vewe nei, ki hui hui e tau plastiki, tau lupo plastiki, ke he whahi siwa o le tau lupo hio.
Ke he tau fōu koe ono anoa ngai whahinga hua takatai motu, mo e whahele veki ke he tau ngā hua he whakatuwhono, koe PMCU, ke tālanga e taha whale Recycle Centre, ke lata mo e veveheanga he tau veve, kehe ki Tamkautonga, he tau uawhe mo e Hongwhurumahiwa. The recyclable items collection programs have started yesterday. The Environment Department says the recycle bins that were distributed to the household the past few weeks are for the storage of plastic bottles and glass bottles as well as jars.
During our site visits down to the dump site, we've been seeing a lot of waste being coming in to the dump site, and a lot of the items which we found was recyclable waste, and the initiative of getting these red bins in was to divert the recyclable waste from the household waste that we have on the island.
The team from Environment will be making island-wide collection to collect these recyclable items from households. If your red bin is full, please place your excess bottles and jars in a plastic bag and place alongside the red recycle bin by the roadside. The collection program started yesterday, and every 2 weeks after this. Any changes to the schedule will be announced by the department. A recycle plant will be ready next year.
We're looking at starting this recycling facility early next year, but at the moment we're just trying to change the mindset of people in our island to try and separate the recyclable waste and not having to put it together with the household waste.
Ko whakatau he whakatuwhono walu e mtoka holo he malolo hila, ke tukutuku hifo e whakaonga he tau lolo ela moe ke puipui ai e takatakai motu. Ona mtoka ni hahai ai ke motu ke mga honei, mai whakaonga ai he tau lilifu i ki pule, whalataha mai tau eke pule lang matai, ua ngaia e mtoka ne kua nākai la hoko mai ke motu. Mai ke e whakaholanga nei, ke whakahoho, me whakakise ke he tau tangata he motu, e mitaki he motoka holo he hila, ke lata mo e takatakai mo e aulangi. Government ministers are now using electric vehicles powered by renewable energy. The move is in line with the Cabinet's sentiment to set an example on the use of renewable energy instead of reliance on petrol, fossil fuel and diesel. 8 electric vehicles were ordered from Japan. 6 electric cars are currently being used by cabinet ministers and member assisting ministers to have yet to arrive here on the island. And that is all of our news bulletin for tonight. Fkos mene ato tolu atau wala tala tutupu, ke lata ia mupuli pōnei. Ke nono whaame ki amunine po.